Kindergarten, it's Mrs. Fink, and we're about to do another Fundations lesson. So everybody say, good morning, baby echo. We're gonna start with our drill sounds warm up, then we're gonna do some trick word practice, and then we're gonna do some dictation, where we say sounds, we tap them out, and then we write them. Let's get started with our drill sounds warm up. We're just gonna do our sound cards today and not the small cards. Just make sure that you repeat after me and that you're saying the motions along with me. U, up, S-H, ship, sh. O, octopus, aw. Q, U, queen, qu. D, dog, d. G, game, g. C, cat, k. E, ed, e. Y, yellow, y. W, H, whistle, w. K, kite, k. I, itch, I. X, fox, x. A, apple, ah. C, H, chin, ch. T, H, thumb, f. Z, zebra, z. W, wind, w. F, fun, f. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. S, snake, s. P, pan, p. V, van, v. H, hat, h. N, nut, n. T, top, t. B, bat, b. R, rat, r. J, jug, j. Thank you for doing that with me. All right, our next thing is some trick word practice. Let's go over the trick words we have learned. U, Y-O-U, U. And, A-N-D, and. Do, D-O, do. They, T-H-E-Y, they. The, T-H-E, the. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Are, A-R-E, are. A, A, A. You spell it like you say it. Two, T-O, two. I, You spell it like you say it. And remember, it's always uppercase. Buy, B-Y, buy. My, M-Y, my. Okay. The other day, we learned two new words. As and has. As, A-S, as. Has, H-A-S, has. Take a second and think, what two letters are the same in both as and has? If you said A-S, you are correct. As has A-S and has ends in A-S after the H. As, has. Do you hear anything special about them? They rhyme. As, has. As, has. They rhyme. Well, I have a new trick word for you today. But here's the tricky part that makes it a trick word. It looks like as and has, but it doesn't rhyme. Your new word is was. Everybody say was. I was sitting outside today. Or, why did you wake me? I was asleep. Now, if I say as, has, they rhyme. As, has, was does not rhyme. And was is a trick word because you can't tap it out. So let's all practice was. Ready? W-A-S, was. Think of a sentence using the word was. Say it to a learning partner like your parents, your brothers or sisters, or even a stuffed animal. You could also say it to baby Echo. I was at home yesterday. That's my sentence using the word was. All right. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to write a sentence using the word was. And at home, I want you to circle it using your skywriting finger. So, I'm thinking about the last day we had at school. Who was the cool kid? I think I remember. I'm going to write my sentence. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. Whenever you find our sight word was, I'd like you to finger trace or skywrite it. Aubrey was the cool kid. I'll read that again. Aubrey was the cool kid. Did you see was anywhere? W-A-S? Circle it with your finger. If you circled this, you're correct. The word is was. W-A-S, was. Nice job, guys. All right, the next thing we're going to do is practice some letter writing. If you are at home and you have a dry erase board and marker, that's great. You can try a pencil and paper, crayon, whatever you have. If you don't have any of those materials, feel free to skywrite as I trace my letters. All right, we're going to start with the letter K for K, kite, K. K is a skyline letter. So start on the skyline, straight down to the grass line. Go to the middle of the plane and grass line, slide up to the plane line, slide down to the grass line. K, kite, K. Awesome. Let's do another one. Let's do the letter V. V is a plane line letter, so it starts on the plane line. So start on the plane line, slide down to the grass line, slide up to the plane line. That's it. V, van, v. Very good. Let's do letter F, because that's always pretty tricky for our class. F is a skyline letter, but it doesn't start right on the skyline, it starts just under. So start just under the skyline, curve back to the skyline, straight down to the grass line. Lift and cross on the plane line. F, fun, nice job. We're going to do a few more. Let's do letter R for R, rat, r. So start on the start on the plane line, straight down to the grass line. Back up to the plane line and make a little bump. R, rat, r. Now I'm going to do a letter that goes down to the worm line. I'm going to do the letter G. Start on the plane line, straight back on the plane line. Curve down around to the grass line. And right now you can see it looks like a letter C. But we're going to go straight back up to the plane line, straight down to the worm line, and make a curve. G, game, G. Nice job. Our last thing we're going to do for Fundations today is dictation. Now normally what I would do is say a word, we'd tap and spell it, and then you guys would write on your whiteboard and show me. Since we're not together and you can't show me, I'm going to hope that you guys are doing it and maybe you can show me on your seesaw. So follow along, I'll show our work so we can check it, and I hope we're going to have a good time. All right, so the first word is quit. Let's tap out quit. Qu, it, qu, it. Let's tap and spell. Qu, is Q-U, I, I, T, T, qu, I, t. Go ahead and write on your board. I'll write it on mine, then you can check your work. Remember, the word is quit. Are you ready to check your work? Qu, I, t, quit. Nice. Erase your board. And our next word is cop. Let's tap out cop. K, A, P. Let's do it again. K, A, P. Now let's tap and spell. K, C, A, O, P, P. Now the tricky thing is, remember, C always goes before O, and A and U. K goes before I and E. So if we heard the K, A, that O says, hey C, you go before me. K goes before I and E, but C goes before O, A, and U. So we know that cop is a C word because it starts with a C, K sound, followed by an A sound. So go ahead and write cop. Now check your work. Do you see how my P went all the way down to the worm line? And all my letters started on the same plain line. I know you guys might not have some Foundations paper, but you can still use your lines. All right, your next word is fix. I want to fix my broken door. Let's tap out fix. 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 Now let's tap and spell. F, I, I, X, X. Your turn. Okay, are you ready to check your work? F, I, X, fix. Okay, we're gonna do one more word. Your next word is vet. Let's tap out vet. Vet is a short word for veterinarian or an animal doctor. So let's tap it out. T. Now let's tap and spell. V, E, T. Go ahead and write vet. Okay, check your work. Vet. Thank you for doing your Foundations work with me, boys and girls. I miss you and I can't wait to see you. Bye.